How you doing, guys? My name's Sam, this is Sean from Freerun. Today we're going to take a look at the side flip tutorial. We're going to break it down into a couple of different variations. Sean's going to show us the 1 foot takeoff.
Yep.
And I'm going to look at the punch 2 foot takeoff. So yeah, let's get straight into it. We'll show you a couple of examples and then we'll break it down from there basically. Alright, so to start off with, we're going to take a look at the 2 foot takeoff with the punch technique. Generally the key point for this is blocking, okay? So the whole idea about blocking, we've taken a look at it in some of the other tutorials, is the principle of having your takeoff, your feet, slightly in front of your body when you take off basically. So as you're running and you're using that forward momentum, having your feet slightly in front of your body will then kind of punch you straight up rather than kind of launching you too far forward, yeah? So we'll try and demonstrate that. I mean, it's a subtle thing in the movement, it's difficult to see, but the whole point is don't be having your body leaning too far forward when you take off, really. So, I mean, we're going to do it off of a ledge here, but the same principle applies for the floor and whatever else you're taking off. So for this technique, you're going to run towards your takeoff point, and this is how I do it. I literally take off 2 feet sideways, so I'm already ready for the side flip basically. Punch straight upwards, and often it can help as well if you take your arm up with you. That's a good technique to set your body, to remind yourself and remind your body that you need to set up before you start the rotation. And then once you've taken off and you're at your peak in the air, that's when you're going to tuck, obviously similar principle to the front flip really, but tuck tight, tighter you tuck the quicker you rotate, and literally just go over in a sidewards motion similar to the kind of cartwheel movement. And the beautiful thing about this move is the whole way round you can spot your landing. So as you go round, you're already looking at the floor, you can see where you're going to land, kick out, bend your knees for a nice soft landing. And I'll show you a couple of demonstrations now, yeah? Okay, so that's the 2 foot punch technique, and Sean's going to take us through the 1 foot takeoff now.
I'm more of a fan of the 1 foot style, so I'll help you through that. The key things I find that really help is I use a bit of a hop as I go into it, so I'm a bit more, I sort of drive up with the back leg, also as I push off my front takeoff leg. Apart from that, arms, like Sam said, arms always help. I kind of tuck in my back one as well, and yeah, I aim for something that I'm turning sideways to. Helps keep me where I'm looking. I'll show you some now.
I'm Sam Parham.
I'm Sean Andrews from Freerunning.co.uk. Peace out.
Peace.